Hi, I'm Ted. In this two-part video series, I will be showing the removal of a TiVo Roamio base model motherboard and the installation of an Asus Thin Mini-ITX motherboard. The purpose of this is to have a thin computer that you can put next to your TV instead of hiding away a large computer in a cabinet or closet. So what you'll need to remove the motherboard is a pair of pliers, a small Phillips screwdriver, and a Torx T8 and T10 head. This is a multi-Torx tool here. The easiest way to do that is just to buy the multi-Torx tool. What you want to do is turn the TiVo Roamio over, take off the cable card slot, use a small, I believe it's size 0, Phillips screwdriver, take off these 4 screws. Okay, so what I've done is remove these 4 screws. This is the last one here. Take that one out. Now you want to remove the cable card holder. So what you want to do is pull this straight up without sliding it. And you want to turn it to the back side. On the coaxial input, there's a nut and a washer. You want to use a pair of pliers to loosen that nut. Once it's loose, just finish it with your fingers. Under the nut is also a washer. Make sure to get that washer also. Okay, I got the nut and the washer off. I'm going to set those to the side. There is a Torx T10 and Torx T8 screws. Those both have to come out. Alright, so we're going to loosen up. The first one is right above the ASATA port. I'm going to switch and take out the other one. Put that to the side. Now we're going to take off the lid. And to do that, what you want to do is take 2 thumbs on the top back, put your middle fingers on the top sides, lift up, and squeeze in at the same time. And be careful, there's a front tab. You want to be careful that rotate it forward and then slide it off. So what we want to do next is take off all of the existing cables. And of course, being careful. And lastly, the fan connector. Okay, so what you want to do is, I believe this is a T8 on these screws for the motherboard. You want to just carefully take those out. Okay, there's 3 screws total. I've taken out 2, the other's loose. There's one here, and the last one's here. Take that out. Now we should be able to slide the motherboard towards the front of the TiVo. And I'll pick up when you're sliding it up. And it is out. Alright, that concludes this video of removing the motherboard. The next part will include the further modifications to the case and the installation of the new motherboard and hooking everything back up. Thanks for watching.